Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Hope you're having a great day, enjoying the nice long holiday weekend. So I am back today to share a quick little project that I created and also a little tiny haul from the 99-cent store. I picked up a few things when I had to do a quick run to the 99-cent store. So I thought these were super cute. It's a pack of 3 starfish and they're I don't know, not ceramic, but they're like resin, and you get 3 for $1. So I thought these would be cute for a summer or beach theme project. So I picked those up, and then I picked up these picks that I hadn't seen before. You get 16, and they're wood picks, like for fruit or sandwiches. And I just saw on the packaging a little bit ago that it should also come in like a strawberry, cactus, watermelon, lemon slice, and pineapple design, I think, but this is the only pack they had, so I picked it up. It's the pink flamingos, and I love that they're wooden. The little flamingos are wooden, and they're on top of these little wooden picks, so I thought these were so cute. So hopefully you'll see the other ones. And then I went by the ribbon section. I thought these were really pretty. It's like a pink velvet ribbon, about 1.5 inches thick, and you get 2 yards of this. I thought this pink was really, really pretty, so I picked up 3 of those. I figured I could throw these in a couple racks that I'm trying to get done as well. So those I thought were really pretty. And then I picked up these 2. This one here is a navy with white polka dot, and I thought this would go really well with the Sunny Days collection. So I picked this one up, and then this one I just thought was a pretty like lavender color with a decorative edge. So I thought this was cute. And this one they do have in other color combinations, like I think it was blue and yellow and like pink and orange, but this is the only one I picked up. And this one you get 3 yards. Oh, I'm not sure if I said this blue one here, you get 2 yards, but it's like a pleated ribbon, so really cute. I thought those were nice ribbons to pick up. And then here's my little project. I am really happy with the way it turned out, and I've been wanting to make one of these. I've been seeing these on Instagram, and they're just so cute and so fun to make. So it's a little suitcase, and I did follow a tutorial by Jen Cassell, so I will link her video down below in the description box in case you want to check that out. And I used the Pink Passport paper collection from a while ago. I think it was from Hobby Lobby, and it's for a special graduate. My niece is graduating this year from high school, so her graduation party is travel theme. So I thought this was just too perfect for her little gift. I'll probably just give her money, but I thought this would be a cute way to gift that to her. So this here is the little luggage tag, and I added the year 2019. I was thinking of doing the shaker like some of the samples I saw, but I kept this kind of simple for the luggage tag because I added a big shaker on the front. So I think that turned out really cute. So I just did the base as a shaker, and then did a lot of stitching here with hot pink thread on all the layered pieces of pattern paper. So those are all stitched. And then I just did a little layering here. And these are all fussy cut from the paper collection. So there's that. And I did a Velcro closure here. And then here is the top little handle. I just added some bling to accent that. And then the inside, I matted it with more pattern paper. I didn't do stitching on the inside pieces. And then this is just the top. I decorated it a little bit and then added her name there, Brianna. So for this one, I did not follow the measurements exactly because I wanted a little bit smaller suitcase. So I have another one that I'm going to be finishing up where I did follow her measurements exactly, and it makes a bigger suitcase. But this one here, the sides are 1 inch on each side. And let me see. I haven't really measured it. So it measures about 5.5, and the side is 4.5. So it measures 4.5 by 5.5. This one here, but I just think it turned out so cute. So I hope she likes it. And it was really fun and easy to put together the base. Just what took a little bit longer was all the, the decorating and stuff. So I did use an AliExpress die for this bow here, and also for the luggage tag, it's an AliExpress die there. So that's my little project, you guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. And also inspired by Tamika, who scrapped the world, she also did another really cute, beautiful suitcase, but it had like double handles. So I will be giving that one a try as well. So I'll link her video in the description box below as well. So if you want to check those out and give this project a try. So hope you enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.